So we jumped up a bird, getting into the stand. Going to the stand, but yeah. I don't know where it's at anymore, I think. Pretty sure he flew away. Yeah. Right there's the stand. Yeah, we're about there. We got across a little creek though. Well, little. Yeah, I'll get you whenever we're back at the stand. Alright, so we made it to the stand. He's climbing up it right now. And I'll be the next one to get up there. Alright, so I'm climbing up here now. Dang it, I got something in my daggone eye. Oh. Clayton, you're gonna have to scoot over. Here, take the camera.
We're in the tree about 15 feet off the ground with two big old ginormous pelicans. And this thing is shaking. Me and him may switch guns in a minute. We ain't figured that out yet. But I see birds right now.
Alright, so we're up in the tree stand right now. This is the view.
Corn feeder over there, but ain't got no corn in it.
Yeah, there's a little old corn feeder over there, but it ain't got no corn in it. And we'll be back whenever.
It's kind of sketchy because we're like 15 feet off the ground without a safety.
Yeah, it's like, and we're pretty big men.
The last time that I was hunted in the tree stand as tall as that first limb.
Dang.
But I had a safety harness on, and I was in like a little platform about that big. About as big as this. Hey, there's a deer over there.
Alright, so we're gonna catch back up with you all whenever a squirrel, a bird, or something comes out. Alright, so there's a bird right over there towards that sun.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, look.
I'm making a shot.
Alright, yeah, take a shot.
I don't want to take it yet. There's a stick in my way. Be still. Don't move.
Clayton, if you don't shoot this daggone thing, I'm shoot it.
I ain't got a shot. I ain't got a shot.
Here, I got a shot here. Record
Give
me.
me your gun.
Okay. It ain't sighted in all the way.
Is it hitting?
I mean, yeah.
Where's it even at? I don't see it.
Me neither. We lost. Oh, wait, yeah, here. Record me. Just record
Where's
it.
it at?
Right there.
Where?
Right there. Right there.
Where the hell is right there?
Here, just record me. I see it.
Where's he at? Oh, did I dig? Gun's hitting dead on. I tried it before I got to the house.
The gun sucks. It ain't on.
Oh, bull crap.
Yeah, it ain't on. I had it right on it. It didn't hit it. That's bullcrap.
Was there a whole bunch of sticks in the way? Yeah.
I put it right on it. It didn't kill it. So what the heck?
Get sticks in the way.
So it's bullcrap. We'll catch back up with you whenever they come back. So the barrel is smoking.
That's what you get when you get the bad barrel. You throw my line out this way. Where you at, bro?
Dude, don't.
Where the guy's on safety? We're gonna let him have it.
Where? Oh, there's a big old bird up here. And I keep on hearing one chirping, but I can't see it. But he says that he sees one.
I didn't know we were going on it, and I transferred. me.
Okay, whatever. But we are currently hunting for squirrels or birds, whichever one comes out first. Yeah, anything that comes out. And yeah, I had to remake the intro because for some reason the intro it was like sideways for some reason, so I'm having to remake it. It's pretty stupid. But yeah, we keep on hearing this bird chirping and stuff, so hopefully it comes over here. Yeah, I saw it once with this daggone line size, but I wasn't zeroed in for like 10 yards, and I missed it.
They're over like 100.
Yeah, it's pretty stupid, but we'll get back whenever some bird or squirrels comes out. Alright, so we found a squirrel nest. It's over there. I don't know if you all can see that, but it's that little brown thing about like right there. Yeah. Maybe some squirrels will be nesting. They're probably already in it, but hopefully they'll come out or go in.
Dude, it's cold.
There is a bird right up there.
You want me to take it?
Yeah, take it, take it.
I want to look behind the wheel. If I shoot at it, I won't hit it.
Do you see where it went?
I do.
Okay.
I can't shoot it. I don't.
Alright, well, we're probably gonna get down and go look for some crawdads or something.
Kill something.
Yeah, kill something. But I highly doubt we'll find any crawdads because it's freezing. It's about 30 degrees right now. It's pretty cold.
Well, climb down out of the tree. You can film me if you want.
Okay, I'm gonna get down first.
Just stick the gun while we get down out of here. Okay.
Alright, so he's getting down. These ratchet straps are about 5 or 6 years old. It looks like they're pretty rough. They're dry rotted and it's pretty scary up here, so we're gonna, and it keeps on cracking, so we're probably gonna have to replace the, Whoa, quit! Oh, that ratchet strap's plumb loose. Oh, do that again, do that again. That ratchet strap's plumb loose. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that if we're gonna keep on hunting out of it. Yeah, that's
I ain't safe. Is this one loose?
well, don't try it. But yeah, he's yeah.
Yellow bugger.
Yeah. Dang. Alright. I'm gonna pass the gun down to you. Well, the guns. And then I'm gonna give you my gun. Clayton, I'm gonna give you my gun.
That's probably why I thought. Oh, yes, actually.
Alright, and now it's time for me to get down.
Man, gotta get down here. Hand me the gun.
Nah, I got it. Yep. Alright, this is gonna be a little bit sketchy. Now that I know that one ratchet strap is loose.
Hey, don't worry. You're perfectly safe up there.
Quit shaking it. Whew. Alright.
Why are you shaking so bad?
Because I don't know. Metal's pretty down cold too. Alright, I made it out and we're gonna go look for something to shoot or kill and eat. So yeah. Yep, we gotta get down here and it's pretty slick. Oh, not slick, but like pretty tall. Whenever it rains, it is really slick. Well, yeah, sure. Alright, we're just gonna walk the creek until we see some minnows or anything, and yeah, anything. We're just trying to catch, clean, and cook. Be like Kendall Gray. He is probably not going to flip any rocks because the water is really cold. But he would do it if he was a man. Oh, he did it. Uh-oh, somebody's calling me. My cousin.
Hey, you're making a YouTube video, fool.
Yeah.
Alright, well, baby.
Yeah, there.
Just salamander.
Oh, get that, get that. Alright.
Oh, no.
Well, he caught a salamander.
Well, salamander. Well, Sally boy, I don't think we can eat him. He's a little bit small.
Yeah.
Well, he's a lively fella.
Yeah.
I'll set him close to the camera. About froze my hand off for that dude.
Yep. Oh,
See ya.
there he goes.
Kinda.
Yep, kinda. Hiding under another rock.
A little cold.
Alright, here, my turn to put some rocks.
It's cold. Let's go down here a little bit more, because there ain't no. Here, hold this. My big old gun.
Where I go? Why are you making me carry your gun?
Okay. I just froze my hands off.
Yep. Okay. Alright, we'll catch you at this
by that
other
fallen
spot.
log.
Alright, so I bought this $12 hatchet from Tractor Supply. It's pretty sharp and we're gonna test it out on this, see how sharp it is. First swing. Yeah, we'll be here all day if I'm going to chop that down, but I'm just going to take a shortcut walk over there like he did. I just wanted to show you all this. Yeah, this is a $12 hatchet from Tractor Supply. It's pretty sharp too. Like, I tried it the other day and like it'll cut paper without you, like it'll just go like that and it'll cut paper. So yeah, I would recommend you buy it if you go outdoors a lot.